Good morning to all the students of class 7. This video we are going to see about the construction of making different kinds of triangle when some of its information is already given to us. So basically अभी तक आपने देखा है कि हम लोगों ने पैरेलल लाइन कंस्ट्रक्ट कैसे किया है when the point is outside of any given line. In this video you are going to move forward by using the different informations to construct the given triangle. So one by one I'm going to explain you the different criterias in which the triangles can be constructed. The very first one, as you can see here, is SSS. SSS is denoting the side, side and side. This is the case in which three sides of the triangles are given. So how we are going to construct the required triangle? So whenever three sides are given, you can easily construct a triangle. This is our first case. Similarly, the second one, we are having side, angle and side. So in side, angle and side, it is to be taken care that the angle should be the middlemost one. It means it should be we will be having the two different sides on both the sides of the given angle. मतलब angle बीच में होनी चाहिए और दिए गए sides के length उसके दोनों तरफ होने चाहिए. Next we are having angle, side angle. In this case the side should be in the centermost one. मतलब दिया गया side का length बीच में होना चाहिए, उसके अगल बगल के angle का length दिया हुआ होना चाहिए. So these three cases, I hope it's very simple. We will discuss it one by one. And the last one too, we are having RHS. RHS is usually made for right angled triangle. So in this case, in the case of right angle triangle, you must be having one right angle, you must be having one hypotenuse and one side should be given. Hypotenuse, if you can recall, is the longest side of the triangle. और एक side, कोई भी एक side, either it can be the base or it can be the perpendicular. ये हमारे चार क्राइटेरियाज हैं जिसको हमें ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए देखना है वन बाय वन. So starting with, we will see the very first one. The very first one is SSS. Okay, so we can see here the question is given like type 1. Construct the triangle when the length of the three sides are known. ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन आएगा जिसमें कि आपको तीन साइड्स का लेंथ दिया रहेगा, यू विल डायरेक्टली फॉलो टाइप 1, दैट इज SSS क्राइटेरिया. सो लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चन हाउ इट विल बी कमिंग इन द एग्जाम. सो कंस्ट्रक्ट द ट्रायंगल PQR गिवन दैट PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter and this must be PR. PR is 7 centimeter. So three sides are given here and you have to construct the given sides using one by one, step by step. I will explain this one. So very first you have to draw one base. आप जिसको भी चाहो उसको base बना सकते हैं. Let me take that PQ as a base. 5 centimeter we have to take. Starting from 0, we will be going to the 5 centimeter. First of all, we will join this one and this is the base ready. तो जो बेस हमने बनाया है, प्लीज़ पुट द नेम, अदरवाइज द नेमिंग विल बी डिफरेंट. PQ इज़ आवर बेस विच इज़ 5 सेंटीमीटर. जो करेंगे वो साथ में लिखते भी चले जाएंगे, अदरवाइज इफ़ यू जस्ट स्किप राइटिंग द थिंग्स इन एग्जाम द मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. नेक्स्ट थिंग विच वी हैव टू सी विल बी डन विद द यूज़ ऑफ कॉम्पास. अब हमें अपना PQ बन गया है, QR बनाना है. So how we are going to take the QR? In QR you can see that it is 6 centimeter. Keep the scale like this. Keep the compass needle at 6 centimeter and the tip of the pencil at 0. You will be taking the measurement like this. 6 centimeter measurement you will take and then you will put it on Q and you are just going to mark one arc like this of 6 centimeter. ये arc आपने कट कर दिया Q पे रख कर. अब हमें चाहिए P और R का वैल्यू. P and R is 7 centimeter. So adjust your compass length. You will be taking the needle of the compass at 7 and tip of the pencil at 0. Any of the thing you can do. You can exchange the tip and needle. After that, taking the measurement like this 7 centimeter, put it on P, and then putting it on P, you are going to give a cut like this. तो आपको एक कट पॉइंट मिला जहाँ पे एक क्रॉस बन रहा है, एंड दिस क्रॉस यू आर गोइंग टू जॉइन विद बोथ ऑफ दीज पॉइंट्स. Q से इसको मिला दो. सो दिस इज योर R, QR, which is equal to 6 centimeter, and finally we will join this PR, and this PR you will be getting it as 7 centimeter. If you want to verify, you can check with the scale, keep the scale and verify whether the length of the QR is coming as 6 centimeter or not. So you can see that it's exactly 6 centimeter in length, and similarly this side we will be having 7 centimeter length. So ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा होपफुली कि आपका जब साइड्स दिए रहेंगे तो ट्रायंगल कैसे फॉर्म होता है. इसका एक और तरह है जब आपको दिया रहेगा कि इट इज़ एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. सो द थिंग इज़ दैट इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, व्हाट इज़ द स्पेशलिटी इज़ इट इज़ हैविंग ऑल द साइड्स एज इक्वल. सो यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. In equilateral triangle, the side will be given as only one side, which is suppose 5.5 centimeter. ये आपकी NCERT की question भी है. So you have to construct one equilateral triangle, say ABC, in which each side is 5.5 centimeter. Same is the case. तीनों side का length आपको मालूम चल चुका है. You are going just take the measurement and start doing it. First of all, we will be making the base. बेस तैयार रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग द बेस हियर लाइक दिस. 5 सेंटीमीटर का बेस तैयार है. एनी नेम कैन बी गिवन. ए बी, सपोज आई हैव गिवन हियर ए बी 5 point, sorry I have taken I think 5.5, it is 5 centimeter I think. Okay, let me take for 5.5. So we will be taking for 5.5. Okay, so this is our point, this is B, this is 5.5 centimeter. Now we are going to cut an arc of 5.5 from both the directions, because all the sides of equilateral triangle are always equal. So this can be the case in case of isosceles triangle, when the sides, two different sides are equal and one is different. So when two sides are equal, we will be having the isosceles triangle. वो भी आप कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. दोनों ही तरफ से हमने 5.5 साइड है जो कट करा है. अब हमारे पास एक सेंटर में पॉइंट मिल रहा है. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मीट दिस विथ C. This is exactly equal to 5.5. as you can see the measurement, it is very nicely visible here. 5.5 का हमें distance मिल रहा है. Similarly from this side, from A, it is also 5.5. So you have got one equilateral triangle. Mark this point as C. This is also 5.5 centimeter and this is also 5.5 centimeter. जब बात हम आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल की करेंगे उस टाइम आपको दो मेज़रमेंट ज़रूर दिया रहेगा. एक आपकी बेस की मेज़रमेंट और एक आपकी इक्वल साइड्स की मेज़रमेंट. So in case of an isosceles triangle, I am going to give you one question. You try it by your own self. So the question is, construct an isosceles triangle. Suppose I will be giving the name as XYZ, in which XY is equal to 7 centimeter, YZ is equal to, suppose I will be giving as 5.7 centimeter. So please construct it, try it, whether you can form an isosceles triangle like this or not, and just this can be taken as a homework.